Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of My Perfumes. My Perfumes has been around since early 1990s. And I unboxed and reviewed a few of their fragrances, and they impressed me so much, especially for the price. For the money you pay, they are amazing. So this line that I am unboxing is called Arabiyat Prestige, and is the higher tier or the more luxurious tier of the My Perfumes basically portfolio or lineup. This one in particular in United Kingdom, massive box, as you can tell. You can see huge box, very heavy, very luxurious looking. This one in particular called Hypnotic Oud by Arabiyat Prestige, which is another subsidiary or branch of My Perfumes. And My Perfumes is based in United Arab Emirates. They are another Middle Eastern brand or Middle Eastern houses. And lately they been making super duper fragrances, very high quality, super smell and amazing value for money. And I was asked by My Perfume to review this for you guys, so they sent me this beauty to review. But as always, the opinions are mine. I tell you what I think of a perfume. It doesn't matter who sent it or I bought it myself. You know, you are getting straight from me. I never sugarcoat anything. I always tell you what I feel and smell. So without that, let's do the unboxing. But please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are hidden gems, they're amazing value for money, and they smell great. So without that, let's go. There's just one thing before we go. I still got a cold, so if my voice is not as the normal, and also if I cough or something like this, I apologize in advance. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's go. Massive box, beautiful design to it. Just the second you see it and you feel it and you hold it, just shouts quality and luxurious. By the way, this one in United Kingdom you can find it around £50, give or take. It could be a little bit more, a little bit less, or you can buy it directly from them, from their own website, which they sell it for that price. The only thing is you have to pay the shipping, although they ship globally. They ship almost everywhere. So without further ado, let's do this. Arabiyat Prestige Hypnotic Amber. Here we go. Sorry about the noise. So beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous box. Very nice design to it, and it opens like this. And as you can tell, it's very luxurious looking. Beautiful design to it. Where do you get presentation like this with big names, especially Europeans? You never get things like this for this price. For even 150, 200 pounds, you won't get a presentation like this. So again, very heavy bottle, very heavy overall, beautiful thick cardboard box. Everything is, attention to details is amazing. So the cap is super heavy and it says Arabiyat Prestige on top, and the atomizer is golden and is modern. And here we go. Very good atomizer. It just gives so much mist out. It's pressurized and it's beautiful. So far so good. Everything about this one so far amazing for the price especially. Let's see what it smells like. Here we go. First impression. Woo! First thing it hits me is the spices, and it's gorgeous, beautiful. And the other thing it hits me first is the quality of the perfume. Is super quality, is high quality, it smells 150 pounds more easy. Smells similar to big names. So I just like, for example, Tom Ford is that good quality. The quality of ingredients is amazing. Very, very spicy, little bit of herbal. The spice here is just layers and layers of spices. I can smell something like saffron, I can smell cumin, I can smell some cinnamon. Is very, very layered with the spices. I can smell some sweetness, which is mostly come from vanilla in the base. The vanilla in here is super done. It's beautiful. It's smooth. It's very, very warm. Overall, this is a very warm, inviting fragrance. Best suited for cooler weather, definitely. But just luxurious. It's just amazing. At the moment, it's cuddling me, and it's very warm, spicy. Ambery. The amber is here is very resinous and deep, so it's a deep amber, very resinous, very spicy, and it's sweet in the same time, and it's very, very gooey as well, very gooey. Beautiful. I can smell some hint of incense in here as well, giving it a little bit of that smoky aspect. A little bit of smoky right now for a first impression. As I said, a little bit of incense. Other thing is to take from this is quite woody. The base is very woody. The woods in here, I can smell sandalwood definitely, because it's very, very rounded and smooth. And I can smell a little bit of agarwood, just a hint of it, not much. And the agarwood or the oud in here is very, shall we say, safe. Is very internationally palated, is very universally palated, is not one of those funky, very unusual, very animalic or anything like that. No, this is very, very smooth, very rounded, very, very friendly oud, as shall we say. Yeah, it's got a herbal feel to it. It's like herbal, grassy feel to it as well. Overall, it smells gorgeous. It smells I can smell some nuttiness in here as well. It's like a chestnut or something like it's like your cooking chestnut with some caramel and some chocolate and some vanilla. It's that good. It smells like Christmas basically. It smells very, very Christmassy and very, very festivally and festive, especially in the winter festives. Yeah, definitely caramel, definitely a little bit of chocolate, definitely nutty, and also I can smell something like a tonka bean as well, because of that nutty earthiness and the sweetness. Probably it's a combination of vanilla and tonka bean together. So far, absolutely amazing. This one on their website, they say it is inspired by fragrance called By the Fire from the company Replica. To be honest with you, yes, I get some similarity to that one, but this is deeper, denser, more layered, and more complex than sorry about that, than Replica By the Fire. Yes, it is in the same vein. It's the same category of fragrance as that one. That one is very spicy, very a little bit of smokiness to it, and also sweet, ambery, and vanillic. And this one has got all this attribute. The only thing is it's got more. It's got more layers. It's got more facets, and those layers mainly come from spices. There are so many spices in here, and also a little bit of incense, and also those chocolatey, caramelly smell and nutty feel to it. Overall, absolutely gorgeous. I'm telling you, when you smell it, you think it's 200 plus easy. Is that good? The quality is amazing. The smell beautiful, especially for cooler weather. This is very cozy, very gooey, very comforting, very inviting, very sexy, very sensual. Absolutely gorgeous. This could be easily unisex, easily ladies and men can wear it, although it's got a little bit of that masculinity come from those incense and the spices, but overall it smells in a way that it could be easily unisex. In terms of occasion, this is definitely going out, special occasion, evening, formal occasion, and things like that, because this is an absolute special fragrance. Very, very beautiful, very opulent, very upper class. And in terms of age, definitely 25 and up, because this is very, very complex. So you need to like your complex fragrances, especially oriental complex fragrances. This is very, very layered and very complex and multifaceted. So I don't think a young nose will understand this. Overall, I absolutely loving it. 2 thumbs up for the first impression. This is beauty in a bottle. I absolutely loving it. If you like similar fragrances to By the Fire from the House of Replica, as I said, this is quite similar to it, but this is much more layered, much more complex than that one, because I smelled that one many times. I tried it many times, and that one retails for £120, and this is around £50, but it smells to me much more complex, much more better quality, which is crazy for this price point. They made it super quality. Okay guys, for first impression, yes, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. I give it 10 out of 10 for that beautiful opening. Oh, it's mesmerizingly gorgeous. It's like you're sitting by the fire in Christmas time, and you're opening some beautiful chocolates, and you're eating some nuts, and also you're having some beautiful caramel cake and things like that, and the fire is on, and you put some nice woods in here, and also a little bit of incense to give it a beautiful smell around you. So this is how I feel at the moment from the smell of this beautiful, cozy, sexy, very inviting, very, it's like it's at the moment it's cuddling me. Okay, so yes, I'm absolutely loving it. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, performance, development, things like that, but for right now, yes, absolutely gorgeous. If you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future, to bring you hidden gems like this that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are absolutely gorgeous. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They're called Scent of Persia, and they're super mesmerizingly beautiful. They are ultra beast mode, amazing value for money, 100% natural, no additives, no preservatives, no syntheticness, and the ingredients come from Iran, my country, and we make the best ingredients in the world. Yes, we don't produce that much, but when we produce one of the best in the world. And I come up with these concoction perfumes from my own country's recipes that are very, very artistic, very unique, very mesmerizing, and very, very mysterious fragrances. But you need to live in United Kingdom now to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.